Hello everyone. We finished 4 courses in the time frame of 2 hours. Because I cook, I made video, and so I made 1 course, we eat, and then we have a pause. So I think then we don't need that much food. So all the plant issues with 8 course and so on, we don't need it. So now we want to sort it and say, okay, Michael still want to eat some yogurt, and I want to have the coffee, decaf coffee with the milk, fresh milk, or I think I prefer to take Japanese hojicha with the milk. So this will come later. And as the last course, we cannot eat anymore. So this is going to be used tomorrow. In previous video, when we use at home the refrigerator, the freezer for the meal prep, I said I prefer the glass. And this item is I use this plastic because then I can seal it. This keep the thing very, very fresh. So until tomorrow morning. The same concept. I put this, the mushroom inside, and then I just close it. And tomorrow when I use it, normally the situation is like today. So this is why we just brought 4 of these friends to our journey.
Glass is too heavy to travel and break.
Yeah, and it doesn't close that well. So this is a benefit of this kind of container. It's give you the fresh, keep the vegetable fresh in a roll fast. And here we don't need the potato anymore. So this. Now I'm going to explain what to store. We want to eat this combined with the seaweed as our last course as a soup. This is really a peace food, and I really like the dish very much. And for using this, it's very much nutrition, and to just have the soup. It's a very yummy soup, and we use this dashi water from the radish leaves. It has to be fully cooked, otherwise it is not working. It cannot be extended and cooked. So I need 100 degree Celsius boiling water for this. Okay, and make it small. And this should be added with. It's really very much, and then we have iodine, whatever is the whole nutrition of the seaweed. And I want to have scallion but after I put the hot water in it. The scallion is very important for the taste of the soup. Otherwise, it's too much earth flavor. Why I'm doing this? Because the white part is sweet, and the green part is like a plant. So I just cut it lengthwise you know, like this. This is for this bowl, this is for that bowl. I prepared it ready to use at the end, because it cannot go in like too early, and then the taste will gone, the freshness will gone, the fragrance will you will lose the fragrance of the scallion. So just add it at the very late stage. For this, the combination is the soya sauce with the sesame oil. That's all, and with this 2 portions. So it's boiling. It's enough. How to get the water here? Michael, you have to come to the right side, please. The Chinese method is going like this. Then the water is coming down through the chopstick, you know? So if the pot doesn't have the Schnute, the mouth, how to say? 那个没有嘴儿. Chinese is like a mouth where you eat and speak with. Then, so this protect you that not everything is going everywhere. No? So that's enough. Be careful. And then this is a wonderful soup. So it's a too small bowl. Normally I have a bigger bowl for this portion, and maybe a little bit more water, but okay. And then a little bit soya sauce. A little bit soya sauce. And add the sesame oil with this scallion when you drink. Now I'm going to put this on the table. So this is ready, but we have to wait maybe 10 minutes until we can eat. So it's ready, Mackie.